Alright guys, here's going to test the theory. This queen was in a swarm on the 13th of September 2020. Put her in the box, went to get a frame of brood from another hive, and they did not like that queen. They balled it something fierce. I'll link the video about this one down below. So here's the thing. This hive on September the 9th was in the process of drawing supersedure cells. So we threw the queen on top of here. I walked off to get another queen cage. Let's see what we got. My theory is when they're trying to kill them through the cage, somehow they're marking this cage, and this totally different hive, which is, I don't know, 50 yards from the hive where they were at that marked her, and it kind of looks to me like that they might halfway be accepting this queen. No, there's a few of them just, yeah, see that right there, wrapped on like Velcro. These girls down here at the bottom, you can't get them all. So I'm going to pause the video and we're going to switch over to this cage over here. Now let's see if anything changes. Because they are just, they're all over that cage. There's a bee inside it, but there's not the queen. See, I don't even know. I'll have to go through this hive. I don't even know if they've killed the queen in this hive yet, sent her down the road out the front door or not. Now see, look at that. Just changing the cage. Look at that. Normally you would not be able to move bees like that if they had not accepted that queen or basically weren't angry with that one. But look at this. I mean, she's not even in the cage and you can't even move them. So they actually mark the cage when they're trying to kill her through the cage. Because look, these are just getting out of my way. Alright, time to go through this hive and see if I can find the queen. If not, I'll go ahead and introduce her. That's experimenting with queens. If you don't experiment, you never learn. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe if you want to.